Hey vlog. Oh wait, do I ever put like this? Hey vlog. So we're playing.
I'm doing the weird thing. Look at. Let's give eyeliner.
Okay. We're currently playing IKEA.
We're playing
Hide and seek.
hide and seek in IKEA.
Yeah, sure.
We don't know what.
We are on the second floor in the.
They're dope. We're gonna run into them. Just saying. Also, we're gonna be really bad at this.
Away from it.
We're currently taking an elevator. It's just not okay because I forget to damn it. Oh yeah, we're vlogging now. They found us.
Oh my god.
Damn it. Okay, me and Emily are really bad at
I like that. Oh my god, I'm getting so distracted.
I want that vanity. Anyway, beyond the point. Me and Emily are really bad at this. Okay, they're definitely hiding like somewhere over here. Maybe should they come higher? It's so smoke.
I'm gonna want that video. I like banged in my mask.
Guys, she fucking banged in her mask. I run. She's like, yeah.
It's not the best hiding place.
No, it's really bad because like this thing, it's like, but like Marissa's tall, so like, you know, but like so we're like crouching.
I think we're gonna be found. How long have we been here for?
A while.
Guys, so this is our vlog version of hide and seek.
I'm getting nervy.
Yeah, I'm a little nervy. Because we know exactly where to hide. Okay, we have to go. We have to go in quick. No. Oh no. Oh god.
Should I go in?
Oh, Jesus Christ.